Just give me under 1 minute and I'll show you the exact blueprint to profitable trading. Immerse yourself. Devour books, online content and videos until your curiosity is satisfied. Pick your lane. Lock in the price action concepts that click for you, then choose a time frame. Scalp, intraday or swing so you know how often you'll pull the trigger. Test with zero money. Scroll back through history, paper trade live and journal every move. Build 2 documents. First, an A-style playbook. 10 to 20 gold standard setups that repeat like clockwork. Second, a rulebook that states when to trade, what must align and how to deal with emotional weaknesses. Grade every new trade against that playbook. Only once you're consistently green do you go live, risking a flat 1 or 2% per position. Journal, review, delete bad habits and repeat. Run that loop every week and profits stop being luck, they become routine. Ready to test it?